There's a little recording light right there. It says recording. And that little thing's blinking. That means it's recording. So you have to make sure it's recording. It doesn't give up on us.
So is it recording right now?
Yeah, it's recording right now. Recording right
Go around,
right
look.
it says recording.
Right.
REC.
Look, go around on this side.
I'm scared.
Today, on Brighton's big day, we are making monkey flipping chocolate chip cookies. And we have a special guest chef, Chef Blaise, Chef Brighton, and me. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, Brighton, is we're going to combine 2 cups of flour. No, let's start with sugar. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Pour it in a bowl. Alright.
There we go.
Now, we're going to pour 1 cup of brown sugar.
No, that's what it is.
Pour it in there.
Ah, not the bowl.
Alright. And these are our dry ingredients. Blaise is going to pour in flour. 2 cups? 3 cups? 3 cups of flour. Let's go with 3 cups today. So what I want y'all to do is mix all that together with your hands.
Oh, hands?
Yeah, just mix it all together. Put your hands in there and mix it up.
Ooh, I like getting messy.
Mix it up in there. Get it all. Put your hands in and mix it up.
Ooh, well that's what it's all about.
Try to keep it in the bowl.
Yeah.
Brighton, you do it.
Get messy when you cook, okay? Oopsie.
You gonna try it, Brighton?
No, what? Yeah.
Try to keep it inside the bowl.
How do you eat this thing?
Yeah. Also in dry ingredients, we have 1 teaspoon baking soda. You gonna pour that in there?
Excuse me?
Pour it in there. All
I
right.
really want to touch that.
And
This
1.
off, huh? This off.
That looks pretty good. 1 tablespoon
Can I touch it?
of salt.
Can I?
Pour that in there.
Can I still do it?
Pour it in there. Oh well, we got about half of that in there, so we're gonna go with a little bit more.
Do I really just stir this up?
That's pretty good. Here, put that in
Let's
there.
stir this up.
That's finished. You're ready. All
What?
right.
Not me.
Yeah, you can stop now. You can stop now. Okay.
It's messy.
You're gonna get all the little brown sugar clumps out.
That's what I was doing.
That's the dry ingredients.
Yes.
So, the secret ingredient to monkey flipping chocolate chip cookies, browned butter. It's just regular butter. It's 2 sticks of butter, like 1 cup of butter. But then you brown it on the stove. You cook it like you're frying something. It turns brown. You keep stirring it up. It'll be. We'll probably cut away to it. And then you let it cool back down into browned butter. So this is Brighton's browned butter. Can you say that?
Brighton brown butter.
Tastes better, What's this? What's that little limerick?
Oh, yeah.
What is it?
Brighton brown's butter because Brighton's brown butter tastes better brown.
Say it to the camera.
Brighton brown's butter because Brighton brown butter tastes better browned.
Now say it faster.
Brighton brown's butter because Brighton's brown butter tastes better browned.
Brighton brown's butter because Brighton brown butter tastes better brown. No, Brighton's brown butter tastes. Brighton's brown butter because Brighton brown's butter because Brighton's brown butter tastes better brown. All right, Brighton, you ready? Now we're gonna take this dry ingredients and add it to our wet ingredients, which is butter. The first wet ingredient is
That's really
butter.
not ingredients, that's ingredient.
So we're gonna add this to the butter.
Mmm. That's right.
So in this case, we can probably use our fingers to square this up too. Put your hands in there and squish it all together.
Squish it, squish it.
Do that, Brighton. Can you
I
do
like
it?
squishing.
Push it all together. Can you do it?
Squish it, squish. Squish. Hands are getting messy. Ooh, it feels better.
Keep squishing it together. Then we're gonna add an egg.
Yes, okay. Oh, wait, not me. Should we stop now?
Keep doing it. Oh. No. Go. On top of it. Crush it. Squish all that together in there with your hands. Squish it all together. Yeah, just squish it all together.
Ew. This is what bacon's like.
It does, isn't it?
What's that smell?
That's the browned butter. Brown butter has like an almondy, like nutty smell. That's how you know it's
Okay,
right.
look what happened.
We're adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Should I? Ew. Can I?
Just keep squishing it together.
Keep squishing it even though the egg's on there?
You gotta get it in it. Like when you give up, we'll use the blender.
No, I'm never.
The mixer.
No, I'm not giving up.
Alright, let's try again. Okay, well right now it seems like we have this Here, cut it on, Brighton. Cut it on. This is probably not safe. This is not really how you're supposed to cook with kids. Not with power kids. Keep working it. Till it feels like cookie dough.
Feels good. Feels almost like cookie dough. Just keep mixing, Brighton. Just keep mixing with your hands.
You know what these are?
Oh, yummy! You're not supposed to eat them. They're full of cookies. Whoa! Yeah?
I'm gonna save a few back. We're gonna save these to put on top. Now you gotta stir this all together.
I wanna. Woo, that's crunchy stuff here. Oh, even the smell.
And these are organic. These are organic cacao nibs. It's like the stuff that chocolate's made from.
Like
It's like the nuts from that chocolate are made from.
Yeah, I know.
Mix all that together. Get it all squished up in there good.
Since I know how.
All that together. Just mix it all in there good. Come on, Brighton, help out.
This is going to be delicious. Delicious stuff here, kids.
Keep doing it.
Okay,
Don't eat the chocolate chips, Brighton.
I didn't know doing this, then I would stay. Probably stay. I want to stay more.
It's starting to feel like cookie. Look.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's starting to feel like cookie. We're almost there. We're almost there, Brighton. Squish it all together.
Squish! Just squish it all. Come on. No eating them! Well, this is cooking, I guess.
Brighton, keep eating the Don't eat the cook. Don't
No,
eat the
stop
cookie.
eating it! It's not done yet.
The only way we can know whether it's done yet is to taste it, to see if the cookie dough tastes like cookies. If it tastes like real cookie dough that you. Very much.
It's a little bit buttery.
Well, I mean, it's made with butter.
Makes sense. I think it's butter.
Okay, stir it up good. Make sure the chocolate's in there. We got a lot of chocolate. It seems like a lot of chocolate chips.
Yeah, well, it's chocolate.
Because do you know why there's so much chocolate chips? Because these are monkey flipping chocolate chip cookies.
I guess. I wonder what that means. So.
What, monkey flipping? Monkeys flipping for the chocolate chips. They love them so much that they turn flips. Because it's monkey flipping chocolate chip cookies.
Well, what do they look like?
They're monkeys, like monkeys. Like,
Okay.
What's a monkey say? What's a monkey say?
Bye. Bye. Yeah.
I'm gonna take the red.
Okay, so this is pretty. What do you think? These are pretty well squished together. You think?
So what are you gonna do with this?
We're gonna make cookie balls out of them.
Now what do we make with this?
Yeah, we're gonna make cookie balls. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the cookies, like just get some, take some and just make a ball out of it like this. Make
How
little
small?
balls, about that size right there. Maybe a little bigger. Maybe a little bigger.
This is where you get messy here.
This is where it gets easy. Now it looks like a cookie ball.
Yes, this is where it gets easy.
What's that? Cookie
How
ball?
does it falling apart, you know?
Because you squish it together and make cookie balls. One cookie ball.
Okay, it's tearing apart. This is,
2 cookie balls.
Blaise approved. Totally. Blaise
Don't eat the cookie.
And
You want to try to make them all about the same size. So that one's gonna need a little bit
I
bigger.
want that one though. These
It's gonna get cooked. It won't matter. Like once it's cooked, it'll be. That's a good one. Put it on there.
I love this.
So you use parchment paper so that the cookies don't stick to the pan. You learn that on all those Netflix cooking shows.
Ooh, look how big this one. I think that's one too big.
Well, and you know what? It's never too big if you take the other ones and add some more to it to make them big too. Squish it together like that. Can you do that? Put it right there. Put it right there. Let Brighton do it. No, you can do it. Put it right there. Wherever Brighton says the cookie balls go is where the cookie balls go. All right, let's make some more cookie balls.
I wonder what we're gonna do with this.
We're gonna put them in the oven, cook them. They're cookies.
This? Okay.
This is what cookies look like. Well, we're gonna spread them out before we cook them.
Hey, I see the little other thing you added. Let's take this cup.
We should make a ball like this. Can you make a ball? Well, that's not quite a ball. That's close to a ball. Here, add some more to it, like this. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Watch. Put it in your hand like this, and use your other hand. Where's your other hand? Right, where's your other hand? Use it. You two hands. Look. Make
Of
a,
course you have two hands.
put it in your hand like this. Use your other hand.
Sing.
Squeeze it together. Make a ball. Now put it on there. Put it on there. Put it on here.
She's doing the opposite. It's opposite.
Okay, put your cookie dough. Put your cookie ball on there. All right, now you make another one.
That kind of looks like a worm. Okay.
Here. Put that one in your hand.
There's no worm.
Squish it together. Squish it together like this. Put some more with it. Squish it together. Squish it all together. Make a ball out of it. Well, it's not quite a ball. Not quite. Close though.
I think this is
When your ingredients fall out of your bowl, just put it back in the bowl.
When I went to the locals. Let's take it.
Try again. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
I got another one. Okay, well, 10 rules, okay?
Just keep making cookie balls.
Okay, even.
We gotta cook them all anyway. Here, ready for another cookie ball?
Cookie ball.
A monkey flipping cookie ball.
Yeah. It's like basketball. Play basketball.
These are not all the same shape, but
Yeah.
we're gonna have carrot.
Wow!
Count them. 1, all right, let's keep making cookie
This is a
balls. Let's get these cookie balls finished and we'll get another tray of cookies. Another cookie
How do we... I don't know when we're finished.
when we're all out of cookie dough. We're finished.
We what?
When we're out of cookie dough, we're finished.
So we actually just do...
We're almost finished. Look how close we are to being finished.
Are we serious? Are we actually gonna? How are we gonna spread these out?
We're gonna take some off and not cook them all. Here, wanna take a bite? Taste it. Nope.
Can I try to taste them?
Taste it. They taste like they're actually really good. Huh? The number of the day is what? 13. How many do we have, Brighton? How many is this? Exactly. Have a kiss.
Did you just say 23?
He said 23, I think. I'm pretty sure he said
That's
23.
close.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23! Good job.
Wait, what?
All right, ready? Let's finish these last ones here. Look, these are just gonna be chocolate balls.
What? How did he guess that?
Because he's smart.
He's pretty smart. Now it's just chocolate.
Well, just make a cookie dough. Make a cookie out of it. Make a ball out. Squish it together.
Squish it.
So what we'll do here is use these little things. Spread these out a little bit. We'll put a few of them in here. Get a fly out of here. How do we get a fly in here? Where's our quality control? All right, that's enough. No, you don't have to take all of them off. Look, that's the one you made. We'll leave that in there. No, we'll leave that on here. Let's see. Well, you can take a few more off. Here.
This is
Here, we'll cook the rest of them. Hold on, we'll cook these.
This is approved by
1,
monkey.
2, 3, 4, 5.
And remember, everybody, it's approved by the monkey, so it's ought to be good.
This is the monkey. Yes, say it's. What are these called?
Monkey flippin' chocolate chip cookies.
Oh! Say it louder to the camera. Look at the camera. Say. Call a name by what they are. What are these called?
They're monkey flipping chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, so we're gonna cook these on 350 for about until we're gonna cook these on 350 until the bottoms get kind of brown, but the edges still look doughy on top because nobody wants to overcook cookies. What do you think, Brighton? Are they good? You gonna make you tasting it? What's the cookie dough taste like? Pretty good. It actually is pretty good. Y'all should try some cookie dough. Here, off camera.
How do you do it off camera?
Well, maybe just let them try it because it's.
Maybe they need to try it.
Are you gonna make a cookie out of this? You just keep stirring it up. You like stirring these cookies up. This is like a cookie, dirt. It's like cookie dust. Like you can take all this, like this, and just make a cookie out of it. Squish it. That's gonna be the best cookies. All chocolate chips. All right, so we'll put these in the refrigerator or the freezer. You can freeze these or you can refrigerate them and save them for later and cook another batch later. And, oh, here's the tip, super tip. Take the chocolate chips, some extra chocolate chips that you have, and put them in top.
Not squish them. Don't squish them.
Put them on top of the chocolate, of the things.
Yes.
Squish them in there. Because when they cook up,
Yeah, what he said.
it will make the cookies look more delicious because they'll look like they got more chocolate chips in them.
Yeah,
They really don't. They have a couple more, but
He said that, didn't he? He just said that.
what? Would you say, Brighton? You gonna put some chocolate? Here, put some chocolate chips on top of these cookies. Stick it on top. Stick it in there. Take one chocolate chip and push it into the cookie like that. Push it in. Can you do that?
I want to try.
Just push it into the
What
cookies.
can I try?
Just push some chocolate chips into the top of the cookies. That way when they cook, they'll... Here. Put some into that. Put some into that one right there. Stick them in top. Squish them down in there.
Like that? This one reminds me of cookies. Because it is cookies. Monkey Flippin chocolate chip cookies. Exactly. Wanna be.
I love that name. I wonder who came up with it.
What do you mean?
Whoa! Hey!
That's good. Yeah. What are you saying? Delicious.
Oh no, don't stop throwing our cookies in the jar. Okay. You ready to put these in the oven?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Hey, you want to taste it? You want to taste some cookie dough? Here. Look.
Delicious. Monkey improved.
Good?
It's called Monkey Flippin chocolate chip cookies. Yum yum yum. Delicious too.
Okay. So we're gonna put these in the oven. Let's see. Well, these are gonna be. You know what? We probably got too many cookies on this. We need to take a row of cookies off because they're gonna expand out a bit and they're gonna squish together.
Wait, what are we gonna do for the other?
We'll make another batch. We'll cook another batch after these cook.
Hey, what?
Spread these out a little bit. You want another chocolate chip? So, put these in the oven.
Monkey Flippin chocolate chip cookies. It's hot.
Some on top of stuff.
Delicious.
They look ready? Yeah, they look ready.
Yeah, they look delicious.
Kinda. So we took these out. We're gonna stick them on a cooling tray. Track. This was Brighton's cookie right here. He made that one. The perfect cookie. This is the best part about making cookies. It's time to test. What is it?
A cookie.
You want some? It's cookies.
Cookie. Cookie.
And does anybody have any milk? Yeah. Does anybody have any milk? I'm hungry.
Want some milk?
It's also good.
Grab a cookie and taste it. Let's taste his cookies. I want this one. Let's taste them. Ready, Brighton? Get that one. Ready? Eat that one. Ready? Very sharp.
Yummy.
You gonna eat it, cookie? Apparently Brighton don't like it.
He said,
Did you like it?
Delicious.
Here. Taste it. Taste.
Well, if the monkeys like it, we should like it.
Do you like it? Is it monkey flipping good? This is monkey flipping good.
Approved by
Is it good, Brighton?
a special guest.
You want another bite? Need to give him my hat or something. So, is this Blaise approved? Blaise approved? On your scale of 1 to of all the cookies you ever had, how is this rated? A 6. The 6th best cookie, or just a 6 on a scale of 1 to 10?
You said 2.
Huh?
Well, after like 9 to the scale.
Okay, so on a scale from 1 to 10, you get what do you get?
I know.
On a scale from 1 to 5, what do you get?
is the cookie good?
Cookie?
Is the cookie good?
Name it. What's a cookie that's better than this one?
Let me think.
Good.
Right. Look.
I feel maybe 5 and 10.
Hmm?
Maybe 5.
Yeah. Okay, so look at the camera now. this is literally the best cookie I've ever eaten in my entire life. And be serious, like, go. Just look at the camera and just say that.
But it's not like this cookie.
It's not?
Oh, it's pretty good. No. I'm gonna keep eating.
So it's not the best cookie ever.
Oh, yeah, it almost is.
What is, if it's almost is, what's better?
I think it might be. Yeah, it is the best cookie. Hey, where's the head chef?
What?
Where's the head chef?
Where'd our head chef go? We lost our head chef. Go catch our head chef and bring him
Okay.
back.
We got our chef back.
Come back, head chef. This was your recipe. Remember? We got it out of your dream.
Yes. What's this?
All right.
He said he's done.
I think we're done.
I'm done.
Hey, look. Tell everybody, Brighton. Tell everybody. See you next time.
Bye. Oh. And bye. Bye.
Okay, try.
Okay, Brighton Brown's butter because Brighton's brown butter tastes better brown.
Now do it faster.
Brighton Brown's butter. Okay. Brighton Brown's butter because Brighton's brown butter tastes better brown.
Faster.
I can't do faster. Brighton Brown's butter better because Brighton's brown butter tastes better brown.
Now say it looking at me. Look at me and say it.
Brighton Brown's butter.
No, look at me. Say it.
Brighton Brown's butter tastes better.
You don't talk while you're doing it. Like, here,
Brighton
hold it.
Brown's
Here,
butter
look.
because.
All right,
Okay.
now do it.
Brighton Brown's butter because Brighton's brown butter tastes better browned.
And do it faster.
You see this? No, I don't want to.
Huh?
Brighton Brown's butter because Brighton's brown butter tastes better browned.
Right, now say it faster.
Brighton Brown's butter because Brighton's brown butter tastes better browned.
All right, that was pretty good. Now do it one more time faster.
Brighton Brown's butter because I forgot. Okay, Brighton Brown's butter because I don't know.
It's right here in front of you. Do it.
Brighton brown butter because Brighton brown butter tastes better browned.
look at me and do it one more time real fast.
Okay. Brighton Brown's butter because Brighton brown butter tastes better browned.
Even faster.